Hello guys, good evening everyone or namaste sampurnama. I think everyone is facing issue in this like 4.1 update, like when you do everything like in the Android Studio 4.1.0 version, like there is not a plugin not installed, and the like that plugin not installed issue is coming on your channel. Like I have done it multiple times, like you can see it here also and like this also. And then like how we can solve this issue, like you can simply solve this issue by doing like you have to just put two codes. Like you have to first like write the Flutter channel space dev, like you have to do in the CMD panel where you will enter the Flutter doctor. Then when you do the Flutter space doctor, then you have to enter the Flutter space channel space dev. I will give the code in the description below also. Then after this you have to do the Flutter space upgrade also, then it will do the some upgradation, and then like you are boom bam, like you are ready to do the like do the operation also. Like you can see here Flutter doctor, then like it will run the system, and like you are ready to do also. Like you can easily do whatever you like. And like if you don't be able to solve the issue, then you can just like simply assign the path of the Android Studio also, or comment below the other issue. I will try my best to solve the issue. But in this issue you have to enter like two code. One is Flutter space channel space db. This code you have to enter, and like wait for the while. And like you can see there like git is already on the dev. Like you have to install the git also in your system. And then like you have to, Flutter space upgrade upgrade, then enter. Then you are ready to boom bam, and then you are ready to move ahead also. Then like Flutter doctor. Okay, you are almost ready to go ahead, and everything is fit and fine. Then this, then Flutter create app. Okay, maybe I forgot the. Oh, sorry, Flutter. Okay. Okay, let's see. You can do this all the stuff. After that, like I'm a noob, so that I don't know much about it, so that like you can fix the issue like this. Thank you so much. If you have any more issue, then like comment down below. I will try my best to solve your issue. Thank you. Okay.